Hi everyone, this is Emma with the UC Vault program. Today we will be going over CSE Format. What is CSE Format? CSE stands for Council of Science Editors. CSE Format is the writing style that these editors created to uniformly represent scientific writing. The in-text citations and end references for CSE can be structured three different ways: citation sequence, name year, and citation name. The variation called citation sequence means that you put a number into your in-text citation that refers to the reference that you used for the citation in your end references section. These sources must be numbered in the order that they appear in your paper. Your first in-text citation would have the number 1 at the end of it, and the first reference in your end references would be the source for this quote and would also be numbered with a 1. Next we move on to citation name. In this variation, you organize your end references alphabetically by last name and then assign them sequential numbers. In our example, Horgan is the first last name alphabetically, so it has been assigned a 1. Your in-text citation from the Horgan resource would also have a 1 at the end of it. The last variation of CSE style is the name year format. It is very similar to APA format. You simply cite the author's last name and the year of the publication, either within the sentence using a signal phrase or at the end of it. Be sure to organize your end references alphabetically. Now that we have reviewed the 3 citation variations, we can move on to the other aspects of CSE format. CSE uses a title page. The title page includes the title of the paper, the author of the paper, the name of the course, the instructor of the course, and the date of the paper. This all needs to be centered on the title page. CSE also uses a running head, which is similar to APA, but this running head starts on the second page. There should be no running head on the title page. A running head is an abbreviated title that goes in the header section. CSE uses an abstract that is very similar to APA format. The abstract states what the purpose of the paper is, as well as summarizes any research or data that was collected. It is usually a single solid paragraph. End references in CSE do not use the same punctuation that the other writing styles use. Notice that there is no comma between the author's last name and first initial. Also note that only the first letter of the title is capitalized. This rule applies to all titles except when proper nouns or abbreviations are present. So to review, choose your variation based on what your instructor allows. Only cite references that you directly quote. Remember not to over-punctuate. Include a title page and an abstract. Include a running head that starts on page 2. And finally, be sure to structure your in-text citations and end references according to the variation of CSE that you are using. These are some links for more information on CSE format. And these are the sources that were quoted in this tutorial. And for further assistance with the writing process, you can contact us at the Vault website and chat live or submit a help request. You can also check out our other existing tutorials on the site. If you prefer to email, you can email to ucvault@maine.edu. You can also check us out on Google+ and Twitter.